Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What another amazing day. Absolutely fantastic. Let's bring up the information here, the chart. Andrew Krause, thank you for your subscription. We got some videos coming out later on this evening. We've got a Trump video, a crypto video, news on the bell. We've got Polaris Energy for malic acid. We've got a review for him coming out today. Being a member, there's a member video, one coming out, XRP, IITU, and Nova. Lots of stuff coming out this afternoon. We had a very long show, I think nearly 6 hours. I wasn't even going to come back when I thought to myself, no, you can't just not go back. I could sit on a beach or a river right now, no problem at all. But no, we're always here. After we finish here, I will do those videos. Someone called No. We can only review stocks if you are a member of the channel. There you go. It's a member's perk. What a day. We've just broken another all-time high. We're now at 106,008. Look at that. $106,000. I can't believe it sometimes. It blows my mind. It really, really does. Sold all my crypto today. Sold all of it. After I finished the show, I went on and just sold everything else as well. So I've completely sold all of my crypto. I've got $7.97 left. That's it. Nothing. And what is my experience? Let's talk about it right now. Let's talk about it. Let's make a video on it because it's all gone. Here we go. So sold all BTC at top. Oops. At top. Let's correct that. At top. There we go. Right. Crypto. I've sold all of my crypto. XRP, sold it all. Bitcoin, sold it all. Meme stocks, crazy stocks, binky bonks, you name it, sold it all. The whole lot is gone. What's my experience of Bitcoin? How's it been? How do I feel now? Now it's all sold. Let's talk about it in this video. So I had about $5,000 of crypto. The majority was Bitcoin, then XRP, then lots of other bits and pieces. And it's now all sold. When I first came into crypto, I was new to the markets and I was excited by trading and I was looking at ways to make money quickly. When I first started doing this show on YouTube 3 years ago, and would be encouraged by everybody. Everything's going to the moon. Everything's exciting. And over 3 years, I learned and grew and made lots of mistakes. And I'm sure I'll continue to make mistakes, continue to evolve. It's just a journey. It's not the destination. It's the journey. That's all life is. During that time, I bought in Bitcoin. I sold Bitcoin. I traded Bitcoin. I traded XRP. I traded every other thing under the sun. What's my experience of it now? Well, now I am done with it. I cannot see that I'll ever buy any more crypto. I don't think I will. I think that's it for me now. Can't see why I would come back again. My experience has been, well, mixed. I started doing this because at the end of the day, I want to get to $1 million within 6 years. And I am very comfortably on that journey now at 105,984. Because that is my goal. That's how I can retire. Not that I'm ever going to stop working. I love doing this. I love working. But $1 million when I own my own home and no car loan, I can live on that very, very easily. So there's no problem at all with that. That's my aim. That's my goal. That's my target. Crypto was always a thing I thought I needed crypto perhaps in my portfolio. The use case, we learned a lot about it. Well, since I've learned about crypto and so on and now exited it, I've learned a bit more. I've learned that it's not all quite what it seems, and you don't know exactly what it seems until you completely finish the journey, as I have potentially, I believe, today. Very often you don't know 3 or 4 steps down the line what's going to happen, because there are so many things hidden behind doors. Until you open the door and walk through, you don't know what the next hurdle is going to be. Well, essentially, I had $5,000, different coins, different crypto, bought it. Most of it was on my ledger and on my Coinbase. And then I'd made $126,000, 127% on Bitcoin. I was happy with that. I sold that. Then we had a bit of a rally today with XRP. Didn't make much money on that, $20 actually. I just got tired of owning it, tired of waiting for some magic to happen. At the end of the day, my businesses that I own, my Coca-Colas, my Google, my Microsoft, my Nvidia, they sell products every day, services every day, and they make money every day. I can understand that. That's easy. Very straightforward. I own the S&P. It makes me money. I earn money on my job, YouTube in my case. I invest, I spend as little as possible, and I build up my wealth. Simple, really. My businesses are working for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, earning money, and then they pay me with growth and dividends. My Bitcoin, my crypto, my XRP is purely waiting for somebody else to buy in because they believe it's worth more. That's it. It's not earning any money. It's not doing anything. It's just sitting there waiting for somebody else to buy it so it goes up in value. That's it. So basically, I'm waiting for magic. Honestly, I got bored of waiting. I'd made some money, and I'm very happy owning the S&P and making money every day, and my dividends growing all the time, and my interest going up all the time. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to reach my goals. So today, I thought, sod it. XRP was the next stock, the next asset that had finally come into balance. So it had made a bit of money. Then I sold it, and then because I had a few binky bonks and a few meme coins left over, I sold them. I sold the lot. So when I bought in, it was very easy to buy in. I was buying in crypto coin all over the place. Selling out, a little bit different. And until you sell everything, you don't realize how it's all going to go. With my XRP on Coinbase, even in advanced mode, it cost me $10 to sell. I had about $890 worth of XRP, and it cost me $10 to sell. Now, you might argue, well, if you've made 1,000,000%, who the hell cares paying $10? Well, I do, because the whole point of crypto was you can move it for free, send it around the world for free, sell it for free. Well, you can't. In reality, you can't. There's fees and charges and smoke and mirrors everywhere. Some crypto gets sold and bought instantly. Some you have to wait for. Some you stake, and then I lost about $200 on Polygon. That disappeared. That was supposed to be unstaked, and it ended up going the wrong place. It was probably my fault, but it was converted into something else, and then I couldn't get it out. There's no one to speak to. It's just left there now, stuck middle of cyberspace somewhere. So I started to sell all my coins. So I paid fees all over the place, even in the advanced mode, so the fees would be minimal. Then I ended up, some of the coins I couldn't even sell because they're no longer traded on Coinbase. Couldn't transfer them to Robinhood because they weren't transferable there. They weren't sellable, tradable there either. So there's a couple of things. Admittedly, it's only $8. I'll show you. That's what's left on my Coinbase. But there's money here just stuck there, $8. That's just on one. And then there's all these coins with a few cents here and a few cents there. Look, 34 cents there in Sandbox, and 36 cents in Decentraland, and there's 62 cents in Flow, and 19 cents in this one, and all this money just stuck there, right? Well, it adds up to $8. Now, if that was in the bank, that would be unacceptable. You'd walk into the bank and they'd give you $8 back. But in crypto, we just go, oh, well, that's how it is. There's no one to complain to. There's nothing you can do. They've all got minimum orders. You can't sell it. So the end of the day, I made money from it. It was interesting for a while. That's when I was young and knew very little about investing. It seemed exciting that I might be able to become a gazillionaire owning some crypto coin. Now I'm very happy owning real businesses, making real money, and every day I'm up, and I just want to protect that as much as possible. I want to put as much money in there as possible. In the next couple of days, I'll have the money in my bank account. I'll bring it in. I'll get a 1% match on Robinhood. I will reduce my margin. I'll be paying less for interest. I'll be winning, and I'll be growing 13% a year. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to be concerned if suddenly this coin isn't tradable anymore, and I'm done. So there it is. That was my experience of crypto. There's nothing more for me to say now because I'm done. I found it really kind of uninteresting, if I'm honest, not that exciting. Not exciting watching crypto just sit there, hoping it goes up because somebody else decided to pay more for it, when I'm more interested with knowing that Tesla has produced a new car. I'm going to sell a car. I'm going to sell an Optimus robot. Amazon has has earned more money on Prime Day. These are real tangible things that I can absolutely put my hand to and relate to, understand. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. And the other thing, to finish up with, people would say to me that you need crypto because you've got to be able to, you can send money around the world. And I often send money back to England, Norway, and I've done it all in Central Europe. And I do it for free all the time. And it's instant all the time. There are no fees all the time. And it doesn't disappear, and I don't have to transfer it and convert it. So I don't see a need. And whenever I go on holiday or around the world, I take a credit card with zero fees, no transaction fees, and I get 3% cash back, and it's instant, and I got fraud protection. I don't see any need for it. If crypto disappeared tomorrow, I don't think the world would change a jot. If some of my businesses disappeared, I would know if Apple had disappeared. I would know if Amazon had disappeared because they are tangible businesses which I use and earn money. So there we go. That is my thoughts on crypto. I am done. I've sold it all, and I've got $8 just stuck in cyberspace. Once my money is transferred into my account and brought in to my bank, I will probably close my Coinbase account. I don't see any point in reopening it at all, because what am I doing? Waiting for Bitcoin to crash back down to $10,000 or something like that and then buy it again? Doesn't seem any point, to be honest. So there you go. There's my experience of Bitcoin, crypto, XRP. I don't know. I wish everyone the best, and I hope it does go up and make everybody millionaires. And I won't feel bad about it. I will feel thrilled to bits that everybody else who owns it makes money. But for me, I'm not bothered. I'm going to be making money anyway. So there you go. Click above my head. Click above my, what sort of video was that? Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. There you go. What are your thoughts? Do you believe in crypto? Do you feel it's important? Can you sleep without it? Can you just forget all about it? Or is it something that you need as part of your portfolio? Let me know in the comments below. Take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Let's see what you say about that. Hey, Stephen. Hi, Martin. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Henrik. No, we can cover this if you're a member, but you're not a member, I'm afraid. Stephen Lewandowski. Hey, Vaz, I haven't forgotten you. And by the way, I've got your video. I'm going to be messaging you soon about that, so I haven't forgotten you. Congratulations, Martin. Yeah, I made a bit of money, and I'm done, and I'm happy. I've got nothing to say. That's the point. I think it's a fad, and it's exciting, and I don't know what to say about it. There just isn't anything to say about it. Hi, Stephen. Just took 60 milligrams of prednisone. Wow. Is that for your reaction today? Feeling better, Mike? Anyone heard from Bill? Yes, Bill was here this morning. I never understand. Bill comes in before the show starts. You may see all the comments. All very, very sad comments. He's dying today. He's going to be dead by tomorrow. Loads of comments like that. And then when the show starts, he's not here. And then he does it again tomorrow. I don't know quite what that's all about, but it is a bit sad, I think. A little better. Bill was here this morning early. Yes, he's always in the show before it starts and then disappears. It's kind of strange. Hi, Mike, Henrik, Martin, and everyone. Join the family and subscribe. Martin, you are a true friend. Thank you so much for being my friend. You're welcome, Mike. What have I done? You just said, Martin, you are a true friend. Thank you so much for being my friend. I don't know what I did. I just sat here. Did I miss something there? I don't mean no, but the person no. I'm confused. Subscribe. Hey, Stephen. You need to convert them all to one coin, then sell that. I did convert. I tried that as well. That was also expensive. I did do some converting as well. There were some stocks I couldn't. There's fees to convert as well. It's supposed to be free to go to USD. No, it's not. It isn't. It isn't. I just can't be bothered with it. It's just more of a annoyance, a distraction, if anything else, really, isn't it? Just yeah. Hi everyone. Crypto dust. Yeah, crypto dust. That's what it is. It's just dust now. I had 2 cents in like 30 coins. Couldn't sell them, but could convert them to BTC. I had a few coins that I was able to do that, and I did that. But there's still a few that are below. There are a few that are below, like 13 cents in Ethereum. You can't convert it. It won't let you convert it. It says you haven't got enough value in it. It's like, well, imagine all the billions, millions and millions of people that have 13 cents in Ethereum. They can't sell it. Where's all the money gone? I mean, the crypto exchanges are just making money out of us, hoping that we're going to trade it. It just sits there forever. So when people say it's never going to go to zero, it's not going to go to zero because there's so much crypto that's lost that you just can't access anymore. It just sits there. It just seems silly. I just got bored of it. You need to pump it up. You need to pump it all into bibbity bip and doubly backflip coin, Martin. You need to pump it all into bibbity bibbity yubbity doubly backflip coin. I agree. That's the way I need to put it. That one's going to be great. Hi, review, MFI and hi. Review, Aki Ready. I'm afraid it's a membership perk. If you want to be a member of our channel for a couple of bucks, I can do it for you. But it's a membership perk. We did like 3 reviews today, if you'd like that. There he is, Rocket Man. Sam, how long has it been? Sam, it's lovely to see you. Lovely to see you. You're lucky we're not in members mode. You sneaked in there. How's it going? September the 30th is coming close, and then I have to find a new job. Have you not found one yet? I'm really sorry to hear that. Wow, look at SoFi Go. SoFi. Let's have a quick look for Robbie Cooper. SoFi. SoFi Technologies. Up today, 6.2%. Very nice indeed. It's only going back to where it was, though, 3 months ago. It's still trending down, but it's nice to see if you're trading the stock. But it is ultimately trading downward, though. That's over the year. Look, it's a trading stock. This is run by a terrible CEO. I covered this before. CEO hasn't got a clue, talks rubbish. It trades up, trades down, it goes in. It's great for a trading stock, but I can't buy it as a business, I'm afraid. It just has no stability at all. Moon Shadow K, how you doing? Lovely to have you here. Henrik from Denmark, lovely to have you here. Robbie, hi Mark, Mike, how you feeling? Mike, are you able to call in? Would love to hear from you. Mike is having a very, very bad time today. I'd love to hear from him. Am I far down the review list with SoFi? Let's have a look. I did 3 reviews today, so you would have made it up a little bit. Let's have a look. Texas Pacific is next. Let's have a look. Where are you? Oh, SoFi is next. So tomorrow. Yeah. Robbie Cooper, tomorrow you should be done. Yes, tomorrow. I'll do another 2 tomorrow. Yes, Jay, thanks for asking. Good evening, Mike. I kind of feel Sensei would feel crap after hearing that speech. So you were saying the Sensei Crypto Challenge wasn't worth it. It's just not for me anymore. Partly, I mean, let's be honest, Sensei's not been here for a month, so I've not had Sensei's encouraging influence for the last month. I've been here every day, and obviously it's things have changed. A month's a long time. The stocks have changed and grown. My portfolio has grown a lot over the last month, and Sensei's not been here. And he gave me words of encouragement. Hold your crypto. I've not heard those encouraging words. Does anybody feel the same? I mean, I made $5,000. I did. Well, no, I didn't make 5,000, did I? Made about 2. I did all right. But I'm doing so much better just owning businesses. So I'm happy with that. I think less is more for me. Less is more now. And I kind of feel Sensei would feel rubbish after hearing that speech. Saying Sensei's Crypto Challenge wasn't worth it. No, I don't feel that. I think for other people it would definitely be worth it. If you like crypto, if you find crypto interesting, if you read it, study it, you're excited by it, I think it's great. I honestly just got bored with it. I find businesses interesting, what they're doing, what products and services they're providing. I don't get excited by the crypto. So I got bored. Now, if you're younger and you like higher risk and higher volatility, and you like the story of crypto, then it's right for you, because I'm sure it's going to be around, and I'm sure it's going to make money. I'm sure that my XRP is going to make more money. I just thought, sod it. I could put 1,000 in my Robinhood, get 1% match, then it will grow 10% a year, reduce my margin by 6. That's enough without the worry. Thanks, Martin. I understand you're a busy man. Thank you. Yes, I haven't forgotten you. Sensei can retire from the show. No, he's still going to be doing all his... Sensei's job hasn't changed. He'll still be doing all the charts, the technicals. He'll still be doing his Sunday shows. And I look forward to hearing him on Sunday. Can't wait. I'm just not buying any crypto for myself. Right, let's have a look. We've got Mike here. Let me put him in the green room. Let's go over to Mike. This is great. We're going to hear from Mike. Mike wasn't very well this morning. So, Mike, you're live on the show. How are you?
Tired. Very tired.
Very tired.
I have no idea what caused that. Last time it was mangoes, and the time before that was pistachios. So I haven't eaten any of that stuff, and I didn't even hardly eat anything when I got, my whole body was covered with welts. And then my face started swelling up, and my lips, and I knew I had to go to the hospital.
So you don't know what caused it? You've got no idea?
No idea.
Wow, that's a bit of a worry, isn't it? Because how do you avoid what you don't know you did?
I know, and when I took the walks out in the backyard, there's plenty of sumac, which I'm allergic to that, but I wasn't anywhere near it, so I don't know. But thanks for all the sympathy.
Well, I'm sorry that you had to go through it. You can still see you've got some puffiness in your face, but it's nowhere near. No, it's going down, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not like it was. They just gave me prescription for 5 days, three of them at 20, so that's 60 milligrams. I don't know, that's a lot.
Now, it's not just the physicalness, is it? It's not just physically you look puffed up. It affect you. It's difficult to breathe, right? If your throat's swollen, is
Oh,
that right?
absolutely. The last time I almost died. I mean, the doctor told me I'd have like half the time if I'd eaten mangoes again, which the skin on the mango is the same kind of sap that's in, it's very similar to the sap that's in sumac. And so that's where I got it before. But she told me, the doctor told me that if I had come in contact with either mangoes or pistachios again, I'd only have half the time to get to the hospital.
Wow. Half the time. You mean how long's that?
Well, she said about 7 minutes.
7 minutes. You
Oh,
get
they
a
get
reaction. You get a
an epic.
reaction. You can die in 7 minutes.
Absolutely. The last
Bloody.
time I thought I was going to die, they strapped me to the gurney and shot me with a high dose of adrenaline and then the prednisone. It's crazy. I mean, you can't breathe. And the first time I had it with my first wife was Christmas Eve, and I'd eaten a whole bag of pistachios the night before, but the next day I ate one, and my throat swelled shut. I couldn't even breathe, and I had to drive myself to the hospital. And it was about 15 minutes away, so I just barely got there.
Oh my God, I can't imagine driving yourself, experiencing that. You can't breathe and you're scared and you. Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
Well,
Well,
obvious.
I called my girlfriend this time, but she didn't actually take me, but she went with me because I was afraid that if I had stopped and picked her up, that I wouldn't make it. So
Well, I'm sorry we didn't give enough attention to this. I didn't realize how serious this was until I'm speaking to
no,
you
no, no,
now.
no. I don't need the attention. It's all good.
Well,
But I appreciate you guys as friends, all of you.
well, yeah. I mean, you know me. I'll make a joke out of it. You can't die because if you die, I'm a moderator down.
And plus, you're the next oldest.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Now I'm the next for the chopping block. So please don't die. Don't make me look bad. Just keep on going, right? I don't care if it's difficult. Just keep going.
Right. I'm going to keep plugging.
I'm glad you're okay, Mike. And I'm
Okay.
sure I speak on everybody on the behalf of everyone. We all love you here, and but you're a big part of the family. And I'm glad you're okay. I only wish you knew what it was so you could avoid
Yeah,
it.
me too. Me too. I've been sitting here for the last 2 days trying to figure it out because it started yesterday, and I just couldn't take it anymore. I mean, you should have seen me. I looked like a porcupine. I mean, they were everywhere on my whole body, and they weren't
Porcupine.
just
What do you mean? What do you mean?
well that many. Well, the medicines affected me, but I
What
was just like
what
prickly.
did you have over your body?
It was welts.
Like
It's
spots.
Yeah, like hives. Hives is really what it really is, but what caused them, I don't know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Any,
Well, Mike, thanks for sharing that with us. Thanks for
okay.
calling in, and
Okay.
I'm glad you're feeling better with us now. Thank you, Mike.
Okay. Thank you. See ya.
Yeah, cheers. Appreciate that. There's Mike just updating us. Imagine experiencing that. Bloody hell! I can't even imagine what that was. What that would be like to experience. I don't think I've ever had a reaction like that. I've had sinuses, and that's a reaction, but I don't think that really counts. But anyway, it's good to see Mike back with us again today. Oh, Mike is calling in. He's hanging up. I don't think he meant to. There we go. If he does, please call back. Oh, are you trying to call back, Mike? It looks to me like he may be. No, I don't think he's. I think he's accidentally calling back. It looks like he's not really moving in the camera. So there we go. Mike, can you if you can hear that noise, it's Mike keeps calling me back. But he's not actually. No, now he's gone. There we go. Mike, what are you doing? Pressing all the wrong buttons. Okay, let's read down here. At least Bill is in touch with us. I think he might feel lonely, but doesn't want to be here all the time. I don't know. I wish he could just join us throughout the show and chat with us. He puts all the statements before the show and then isn't here to talk to anybody. So it's not really helping him, is it? It's not giving him any comfort if he just puts a statement and then disappears. I don't know what to say. Anyway, good afternoon all. What a day today. Dow up 700 points right now. Yeah, what a day indeed. Look at it. No, Martin, I was just saying I appreciate you being my friend. It means a lot to me and all the members in the chat. Yes, we all appreciate each other. I'm still watching. I'm still waiting on. Oh, I still want to do that. Yeah, absolutely. That hasn't changed. I'm on about, for me, investing in crypto. We love you, Mike. Even though we never met in person, I consider you a friend. I think everyone does. Hey, Mark. Yes, Jay, back at you. Elon tweeted he's moving Tesla HQ from California to Texas. That's interesting. I can pop down and see him then. Yes, it's been a long time. I've missed you. No job so far found, but I would go back to working at the vineyard again. But the future, I'm thinking about performing on the cruise ships. That's a wonderful thing to do. I spent years doing the cruise ships. I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time doing that. Are you married, though? Aren't you married? It's a good single man's life, I'll tell you that. It's great if you're single. I'm not so sure it's a good married man's thing. You won't stay married for very long. That's all I'm going to say on that. Sam, if you're looking for a job and are located near PA, I can help you. Just an offer, but I don't know, but it's tough out there. Jay, he's actually in England. I'm sure he appreciates that offer, but he's in England. What's SAPA? It's PA is Philadelphia. It's a bit of a way to go. Southeast Pennsylvania. Oh, sorry, Pennsylvania. What did I say? No, I said Pennsylvania, didn't I? No, I said Philadelphia. It's Pennsylvania. Oops, got that wrong. Crip walk for the crypto. Yes, LOL. I would travel wherever the money is, but not that far. Not every day anyway. The man, the myth, the legend. Who is the man, the myth, the legend? Hope you get well soon, Mike. Yes, Mike. Nice, Mike. Hex from Trolls. Get to the chopper. Mike, you look better than this morning. A lot better. What's going on, Valentine C? What's going on? Everything's going on. You blink, you miss it. The snake. It was the snake. That's a point. Mike, could it be the snake? Looking at you. It's a venomous snake. They don't have to spit. They can just look. Right? The power of the snake. Yes. I reckon it was a snake. You can't think of anything else. I reckon it was a snake. He was looking at you funny. I'm telling you. These snakes be buggers. The snake. It was a snake. I think it was a snake. I love mangoes. It happens to me with peaches. Really? I can eat peaches all right. 7 minutes. I know. Can you imagine? MSK, seriously, can you imagine? If he has a peach or a mango, he's got 7 minutes to live. Bloody hell. Keep the mangoes away from me. 7 minutes? Bloody hell, my heart goes out to Mike. Yes, indeed. Ninja mangoes. Yeah, watch out for those ninja mangoes, Mike. I reckon it was a snake. 106,000. Look at this. Ridiculous. Mike, find where your local ambulance place is at. Might be closer than the hospital in a life-threatening... Yes. Or just move next... Get a tent, pitch up next to the hospital. That's what I would do. If you're on the edge of 7 minutes all the time, I'm living next door to the hospital. In fact, I'm right outside the front door. Seriously, be careful and cautious. It's no joke, this. We're all joking about it because this is what we do, right? Mike knows that. Hi, Mike. Looking good, mate. Yes, he's looking good. Mango beat Ninja. Hiya, Crag. Moon Shadow K. Get better soon. That's nice. That's nice from Moon Shadow. Now the trolls know the weakness. Yeah, they've just got to mention snake, or what was it? Mangoes. Get well soon, Mike. Yes. Thoughts on SISI. I don't know, Killer Kev 23. I would need to do a review for you. It's a member's perk. I'm not doing it. Thanks, everyone. What aren't you doing? I'm not doing it. Thanks, everyone. Mike can still handle the trolls. He's a pro. Yes, he can. Mike, I'm glad you're doing so much better. Thanks, Tim. It wasn't the snake, Martin. And Vaz, it wasn't the snake. It wasn't the snake. He doesn't believe in the power of the eyes. That's the trouble with Mike. He's a doubting Thomas. He doesn't believe in the power of the looking, right? He doesn't believe in that. I do. We've proved it on the show. We've proved it. The power of the look. The power of the look works. You've seen me do it. The power of the super chat, remember? You've seen me do it. How many times have you seen me demonstrate the power of the super chat? Look into my eye. You've all seen it. I reckon that's what happened with the bloody snake. Let's go, plug power. Plug, let's have a look. Oh, nice. Plug power today over the $3. That's nice. Revenge from the snake. You can develop an allergy from food or nuts after many years of eating them. And then one day, bang. Isn't that weird? So you can eat nuts and stuff for years, and then one day you've got an allergy. See, I haven't got any allergies, well, apart from sinuses. And I didn't get that until I came to America. But then maybe there's not allergy stuff in the air in England. When I came here, bloody hell. Not straight away, but I do now. What about if you eat mango ice cream? It's not worth risking, is it? Robbie Cooper, don't be funny. Don't be clever. It's not worth the risk. We don't need mango ice. No one needs mango ice cream in their lives. The sap from mango or skin is what is allergic. The sap from mango on the skin. It's not the actual fruit. Okay. You wouldn't risk it though, would you? Or what about the mango chutney you get in Indian restaurants? Robbie Cooper, will you stop confusing the situation? Mike doesn't need all this drama in his life. He's getting over a bloody allergy here, and you're giving it, you're making it a joke. It's not a joke, this is serious business. I purchased MASA lifetime membership for air ambulance and ambulance transport. I am 65 years old. You never know when you will need an ambulance. A membership. See, in England, you just phone 999, ambulance turns up. You haven't got to be in a club. Bloody hell, Mike. Mike, if you join the ambulance club, MASA, M-A, not NASA, MASA, join it. Stephen Lewandowski mentioned it. Have to wash your hands very well when peeling the mangoes. But Mike, why are you even doing mangoes then? Why are you going anywhere near a bloody mango? Mike, stop going near mangoes. If you know it's the mango, stop going near it. Honestly, Mike, it's your own fault. It's your own fault. If you know it's the mangoes, but you keep going near the mangoes. Just saying, Mike. Yeah, you are. Look, Mike, MSK said, stop peeling mangoes. I mean, there we go. Advice. It took, how long did it take? 3 years of getting to know Mike? Now we can pass on the information. Mike, don't peel mangoes. Whew, I'm glad we told him now. Now he knows. Mike, I bet you feel good now. Now you know. Taking 3 years. I'm glad MSK was here today. Now Mike knows. Don't peel mangoes. Problem solved. It's like $3,000 to join. Is it? And what do you get? You pay $3,000. Then what do you get? A guaranteed ambulance. Don't you get an ambulance anyway? Isn't that what 911's for? Jay Long. He thinks it's funny. Jay Long, this is not funny. This is serious. This is about peeling mangoes. Very serious matter. Damn, Mike, I would hate it. Could never eat prawns again. I wouldn't care. The only problem I would get is if I couldn't have a tea and biscuits. If you told me I could never have a cup of tea and a proper biscuit, and I don't mean American biscuits. I don't mean those little rolls. I don't mean biscuits that are pretend biscuits that are just sugar. I mean real rich tea, digestives, English, proper biscuits. If you told me I could not eat and drink tea and biscuits ever again, that'd be it. I'd find the nearest cliff. No point living. I can't be doing without. If I can't have tea and biscuits, life's miserable. That's what I reckon. I never peeled mangoes and got allergic eating fruit salad at my daughter's cheerleaders picnic. So, I never peeled mangoes and got allergic eating a fruit salad at my daughter's cheerleaders picnic. Yeah, but what a way to get an allergy though. At a cheerleaders picnic. That's the way to do it. If you're going to get an allergy, do it with a bunch of cheerleaders. It's not that bad, really, is it? You've been painting a negative picture all afternoon, doom and gloom. You got it while attending a cheerleaders picnic. Sounds like you had a good time, mate. Don't make it out to all be doom and gloom. There's always a positive ray of sunshine somewhere in the story. We've just got to find it. We've all been sitting here thinking, poor old Mike. He's having a hard time. It's terrible. He got it from attending a cheerleaders picnic. That was the upside. That was the positive. He was having a good time at that moment. So let's not worry. Let's not give too much sympathy here. He caused it himself. And that's what probably did it. Too much pleasure, enjoyment. Now you're paying the price. Yin and yang, mate. Yang and yin. That was 12 years ago. Doesn't matter. You pay the penny. What's it? You pay the pipe. You pay the price. You pay the piper. Whatever. You're paying the piper now. You start attending cheerleaders outings, parties. You got to pay the price. Everyone should eat based on your blood type. Google diet for blood. There you go. Tim Rogers knows. He's good at financial advice too. So I reckon you should listen to that. Go and check it out. Did you hear that, Mike? Go and check your blood type and see what you can eat. And I bet it says your blood type, you shouldn't be attending cheerleaders parties. I knew there would be some reason for it. Do you get an EpiPen? Would that help? I am now, Robbie, but they are like 600. But I'm getting one when I go back to doctors. So what does that do? I've heard about these. Does an EpiPen is that what that rescues you, right? So if you ever get an allergic reaction, you don't have to have the 7 minutes nonsense. You just jab yourself in the arm, bomb, and then you're okay. Is that what an EpiPen does? I want someone to explain it. I'd hate to be allergic to steak. Oh yeah, can you imagine? Can you imagine to be allergic to steak? That was 12 years ago. Stop going on about that. You still did it. Elon moving SpaceX headquarters to Starbase, Texas. We heard about that. Put a pic and Discord general chit chat of new SpaceX headquarters. I took when I'll have a look in a second, Mark. If I become, in fact, I'll do it now. Where did you put it? General chit chat. I'll do it now. If I don't do it now, let's be honest, I won't do it. It'll get lost. It'll get lost. Mark Saxby. Here we go. This is the new Tesla headquarters to Starbase, Texas, and X. He's putting them all in one place. I like it. Thank you for sending that in, Mark Saxby. I'm loving it. That's great. Brilliant. If it's not free, could cost 10 grand to 60 grand. Cost me $2,500 air ambulance and ground transport, Massa lifetime membership. Bloody hell, what do you mean it costs 60 grand? In England, you phone at the ambulance, it's free. You got to pay $60,000. I mean, who's got 60 grand? I mean, that's half of my lifetime savings gone for an ambulance. Look at that. I just die. Take my 60 grand with me. Mango is overrated anyway. I agree. Don't even need it. Waste of time. Even in the worst storm, the sun hasn't gone away. It's only obscured. Correct. Very, very good, William. Our new member, William, is giving words of wisdom. I'm loving it. Maybe the reaction was worth it, Mike. Just take your EpiPen next time. Yes. Maybe the reaction was worth it. What, the cheerleader picnic? I say it was. Hello, back again, Tolga Kaban from Turkey. Tolga, if you look out for your video, what was it? Which one did I do? Nova Sun. It'll be out later. It'll have its own video. It'll be out later on tonight. All right, go and check it out. It'll come out as its own video. If you subscribed and rung the bell, you'll be notified when it comes out. Good God. They were 15 to 17 years old. Okay, all right. You didn't say that. I'm assuming they were a bit older than that. We're not going to go there, right? My daughter got a bill for $10,000 for a 5-mile ambulance ride. $10,000 to go 5 miles. I bloody walk. God bless the NHS. I know. MSK, can you imagine? Can you imagine paying $10,000? I mean, are you having a laugh? Is there such a thing as being allergic to tea? Don't worry, James. We're all right, mate. We're okay. We're going to be okay. Don't worry about it, James. Don't worry, James. We're going to be okay. It gives you time to get there, oh, I see. So the EpiPen gives you the extra time. I like it. You're going to get one then. How much you say it was? $600, wasn't it? Did you say? I eat to my blood type. It's type big. Mark Saxby. I like it. I eat to my blood type big. So I can eat a steak then. I took Benadryl. Oh, I've heard about that. T, the moon. Saxay, yes. T is going to the moon. Afternoon, all here he is. Ed Nevius, how are you, mate? I'd hate to be allergic to milk or honey. 2 things consume a lot of. Crag, feel for you, mate. EpiPen contains epinephrine, a medication that can help decrease your body's allergic reaction, relaxing the muscles in your airways to make breathing easy. Thank God for that. I like that. Andrew Krause, been holding Plug for about 4 years now. Is Plug a good long time hold? I think so, yes. I like Plug. It's been manipulated by Russian oligarchs and flipping idiots like that, but it's a good stock to own, yes. A lot of volatility between now and the next quarter, but the next quarter, I expect to see it take off, yes. In Turkey, all health processes is free, even surgery, transport to hospital with a helicopter. There we go. Let's all go live in Turkey. Much better. Fantastic. We like it in Turkey. Turkey's great. Yes, you can have an allergy to even water. Aquagenica, Utricaria. Rare, but yes. Don't ask me how those people live without water because I have no idea. Bloody hell, you can be allergic to water. Well, that ain't going to work, is it? If you're allergic to water, you're really in the duper there. The oopsie doopsie. I was put on this earth to consume as much tea as physically possible. I'm like a tea processing Terminator. James 007. After your review, Nova went up. You are the best. Absolutely right. It's all to do with me. No doubt about it. Nova. Shall we do it? N-O-V-A. Yeah, not yet, Sun Nova. There it is. It always happens. It's called the Lucas effect. Wait till the video comes out. Tolga. When the video comes out, watch it. Boom. It always does. Every single time. The teammater, James007. I'm type O. I can't eat dairy products, no chicken. However, all the beef, veal, and lamb are beneficial. That's okay then, Tim. You can eat steak. That's all right then. Please, any legs on Nicola? Thank you. William, our new member. He always asks me about Nicola, and I always say, I can't do anything about it, William. You need to be a member. Not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. Now I can do it. Nicola, up today. There we go. Have we got any news? We got a bit of news here. Nicola attempts to ascend from the ashes. All right. Nicola attempts to see how much better it is now. You remember, the world opens up now. For a couple of bucks a month, the world opens up. All right. Look at that. Electric producer Nicola is attempting a rebound from steep share price decline over night. Do you know what? Just because you became a member today, I'm going to do this for you. I don't have to do this, but I'm going to because I'm nice. Not because you became a member, just because I'm nice, right? It's about me being nice. Remember that, right? Just remember that. Here we go. Like I need another video to produce. I just want to demonstrate how nice I am. This is what happens. This is what happens when you become a member. When you're not a member, I don't care. When you're a member, I'm suddenly nice. All right? It's amazing. Nicola. No, soul. NKLA. He's thinking, I'm glad about it. Oh, should have become a member ages ago. This is good. Yep. Definitely staying a member now. Yep. Some people are allergic to life. William, thank you, Martin. Yeah, very in it. In it. All right, here we go. As a little gift. Too nice I am. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. It's been a while since I've said that for Nicola, but I'm going to say it. We're up now, 3% today, and we're up 9% on the week. We're up 1%, down on the month, 33%, but we're up on the day and the week. Why? I've got some news for you. Do you want to know what it is? Tap the like button. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Do all the good stuff. Here we go. This is why. Nicola attempts to ascend from the ashes. Rise from the ashes. Rise from the ashes. Story highlights, despite a dramatic share price drop. Embattled EV manufacturer Nicola shows EV manufacturer. It's more hydrogen really, but I know what you mean. Nicola shows signs of resilience with better than expected vehicle deliveries and mounting anticipation ahead of upcoming fiscal results. Yet investors are cautioned to look for sustained revenue and earnings growth before investing. When is the earnings? If anybody requests the earnings, I shall cover it. The earnings are on August the 9th. If any of my members does a minimum $5 super chat, I will cover the earnings. Electric vehicle producer Nicola is attempting to rebound from a steep share price decline of over 97% in the past 3 years, culminating in a 1-for-30 reverse stock split to avoid delisting by the Nasdaq. We remember that, and overreacted. It was too much of a sell-off. Ascending from the ashes in a rare feat, however, the company has shown resilience, announcing better than expected vehicle deliveries for the quarter and creating anticipation for the company's upcoming fiscal results. Speculation around a potential short squeeze is also in play. Well, hang on a minute. Before anyone says there's a short squeeze in play, let me have a little look and see if that's true, shall we? Let's have a look at this here. Let me just type it in. NKLA. We want to look at the position here. Here we go. So undervaluation, but we cannot rely on this by 92%. There's no DCF valuation here, so we cannot use that. So we'll throw that out the window. Revenue. William's going, bloody hell, this is great. I became a member. I can't believe it. I'm not doing you a full review. Not doing your full review. Don't get too excited, but I am bringing some attention to the stock. We are expecting revenue to increase. Thank you, Leah. Operating income to increase. Net income to increase. We're expecting, but you're not going to do all that now. No. We're not doing all that yet. We're going simply down to the short position. Right down here. 22%. No, not enough. Not enough. You want me to say we're going to get a short squeeze? We need above 20%, but typically GameStop was around 100%. We need more than this. We need much more volume. Now, we do have an earnings coming up. If anyone covers it, then I will. Anybody does a $5 super chat minimum, I will cover the earnings. Once it's booked in, that's it. Thank you, Mike. 22%. It's not enough for a short squeeze. What about the upside potential? Insiders buying. Insiders buying. Woo, 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 woo. On May the 20th, insider Stephen Gursky, Stephen Gursky, whichever way around you want to put it, $540,000 worth, nearly $500,000, or just over $500,000. What about Wall Street? 1% upside, worst case scenario, 248% upside on average, and 848% on best. So what we need is some good news, what we need is some volume, and what we need is a good earnings. Are we going to get a good earnings? Well, expectations on revenue are there. If that happens, most certainly we will. It's a stock that does drag in a lot of negative attention because of its past with its former CEO. But what do you think? Could Nicola be on the edge of something? Well, as I said before, if you want me to cover the earnings so it goes viral. Oh, yes. It goes viral when we do our earnings. Look how the earnings is moving up. Apart from Q3, that of 23, that went down. But since then, a nice steady curve. Are we going to get a beat? Are we going to become cash positive? I doubt it. This would take another couple of quarters, I believe, to get there. But there you go. Nicola, possibly some good news. Earnings round the corner. If you want to cover it, first member to book it in, that date will be booked and nobody else can claim it. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. More information in the series. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. I wanted to do that for William because William has been in our show every single day for months and 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 months. And he always asks about Nicola. And I always go, sorry, mate, you're not a member. Today you become a member. I thought, sod it. Let's give him a mini review. Let's give him a bit of good news. There you go. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. MSK, if someone else is allergic to water, if they put a tea bag in the water, it's yes. It's not water anymore. It's tea. I agree. James 007, you need to get the word out, mate. Whoever it is who's allergic, you need to get the word out. Oh, that's right, man. Sorry, I'm delusional with the steroids. What's going on? Thanks, Leo. What did you say, William? Very kind, Martin. MSK is already there. You go. That quote regarding the sun is more profound than 99% of people will ever realize. I am stealing that. What's that? Well, the sun. Yeah, it's good, that. It's already yours, brother. I'm loving it. William, what a great contributor William has become. He's always in the chat, and today he's become a member. Now he's all into it now. What did he say? I want the comment. Where's the comment? I missed it. Even in the worst storm, the sun hasn't gone away. It's only been obscured. I've said that. That's not new. I've said something as good as that. Yeah, I've said stuff like that. I've said stuff like that loads of times. I've said stuff like that. William's been here for more like 2 years. Yeah, William should have a 2-year badge by now. He's been a member. He's been watching for like 2 years. Anyway, he's a member now. Don't ruin it. Don't ruin it. Don't take it away. Time to day trader of the day. Who wins today in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has clearly gone, and it's now time for day trader of the day. And yes, I'm up again. I know. Can you believe it? I know you can't believe it. It's like, how is he always up? Such a trader. Such a trader. Not really. Just hold and don't do anything. It's not hard. It's not hard being me. It's easy. It's easy. You just got to do the right thing. The right thing is to just never sell. You're always up. Every day, never down, always up, 100%. Right, okay, up 0.79. I thought I was going to win then. J Long come along and spoiled it, up 4.65. Mike! This is good news. Mike's making money now. Mike's been down forever. We're very, very happy to hear it. But JJ, is JJ going to take the crown? It's looking very good. I got to be honest. Looking very, very good. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. We might not be here for very long. Stars of the show. Thanks for the support. Well, that was rubbish. No super chats. No members. Nothing really. Rubbish. I'm not even going to show it. I'm going to protest. Take it off the screen. That was the worst rubbish. Okay. MSK. 4.12. Mark Saxby. 1. Hang on a minute. 1.51. Mark Saxby up 1.51. Fight Channel 2.65. Tolga 6.44. He can now enter the competition because he's a member. Before, he wasn't welcome. He couldn't. Now he's a member. He's all in. You see? It just takes a bit of money. I'm just like, I'm easily bought, right? I'm not your friend until you pay, and then I'm your friend. I'm only joking. It's my sense of humour. Right, get with it. Tolga, 5 points. Hang on a minute. 6.14. Nicola doesn't have the hydrogen station infrastructure other than the one location, California, for Nicola won't be valuable for years. So God made a farmer. Thank you for that. Up 0.69. Jay. Whoa, Tolga. Tolga got me. 5.76. Tolga. No, it's 7.53. Hang on, Tolga. Is this your overall portfolio? Not just one stock, not just Binky Bonk coin, not just crypto, the overall stock, the accumulative collection of stocks. Can't be one stock, it's got to be your overall portfolio. Can you check before I announce the winner? Mike has given me a super chat, I'm loving it. Mike has given me a super chat. There we go, I got a super chat. I thought today there was going to be no super chats. I thought, well, that's rubbish. That's rubbish. I started going 6 o'clock this morning. I went to 12:30. I did 6.5 hours straight. I did another hour and a half now, straight. That's 8 hours. And I've earned $1. Spot on. It's been a good day. Thank you very much. Now I've got to get to work and put all these bloody videos out. Only in stocks. Yes. Yes. Coburn, remember, take some profit. Very important. Very, very important. So, there we go. We're going to give it to you. From Turkey, a brand new member, Tolga. We're loving it. We're loving it like that. Thank you for your honest trades, Tolga. Congratulations. Give him a thumbs up. We've got a brand new member in today with a brand new badge all the way from Turkey. There's Mike.
Mike 166A donated $1 through a super chat.
He did through a super chat. Mike won that super chat. Can't do the impression. I'm going to do an impression. I'm going to do a turkey though. Here comes a turkey. Massa. What's this? What's Massa? Is this the ambulance thing? Hang on. Congratulations, Tolga from Turkey. Fantastic to have you here today. absolutely wonderful. And congratulations, very few people win straight away.
Stephen Lewandowski donated $1.99 through a super chat. Massa, thumbs up, thumbs up.
So you are very, very special. Congratulations from us all.
Türkiye'den tebrikler Toga, bugün burada olmanız harika, kesinlikle harika ve tebrikler, çok az kişi hemen kazanabiliyor, o yüzden sen çok çok özelsin, hepimizden tebrikler.
Look out for the Turkey flag. Look out. We've got Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey. Here's the Turkey flag. There it is. There's the Turkey flag. That one there. Bing, 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 bing. That's the Turkey flag. We have 62 countries, 14 languages, and Turkey. There's the Turkey flag over there. There you go, Tolga. There's your flag. How about that? Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski, for the super chat. Can't believe it. Don't buy any mangoes. I won't, I promise. When you said you do turkey, I was really hoping you'd start gobbling. Disappointed. I'm sorry, Vaz. Sorry, Vaz, mate. You know how it goes. I'm here to disappoint. Don't ever expect too much. Don't need to translate. Wow, I know. I just did it anyway. I thought you could speak English, the fact that you watched the show, to be honest. But I just like to do it. It's all part of the service, isn't it? It's all part of the service, isn't it? Right. Okay, I'm going to go. I have got to get these videos put out because I'm behind now. It's Mike's fault. He called in. He annoyed me. Now I'm all behind. So I'm going to send everybody now to the extra channel just so you can leave me alone so I can get on and do these videos. Redirect to the extra channel. There it is. Let me give everybody the link just in case. You know the best. I don't know what that means. I have no idea what that means. Tolga Kaban, you know the best. I have no idea what that means. I ruined the show. Yeah, you did. You ruined the show with your flipping EpiPens and your flipping snakes and your allergies, bringing the show down. This is a stock investor channel. It's got nothing to do with allergies. It's not a health channel. It's not a help people out when they get sick channel, is it? No, it's an investor channel. It's about people making money. Where does snakes and pistachios fit into that? It doesn't. Think on, right? There's channels for that. There's channels where you can phone up and go, oh, I'm poorly. Can I ring in and phone up? It's not this. This is all about money and greed and selfishness. It's got nothing to do with you phoning in and saying, I'm not feeling very well. There are shows for that. This isn't it. Right. Everyone go watch the snake video. No, don't watch the snake video. It's rubbish. And if anybody else watches that, if that ends up becoming a bigger video than I've got on my channel, well, I'm not even going to speak to anybody. Right, I'm getting out of here. I'm bored now. Everyone go what? No. Oh, Martin, how's the music channel? What snake? Okay, I'll play the snake video. Bloody hell. If I don't do it, I know all we're going to get is Mike and his bloody snake video. It's rubbish. It's a rubbish video. I don't know why anyone would even watch it, but they do. I don't know why people watch this stuff. The way the world works, I don't know. This is Mike. This is Mike's moment, everybody. Yeah, Mike is a genius on YouTube. This is Mike's video. This is when he got allergies. See a snake?
Found a friend.
This is what it takes to be a YouTube genius. Allergies. He looked into the eyes of the snake.
Found a friend.
brilliant. I think the snake was brilliant. Personally, I think the snake is great.
Found a friend.
Yeah. I'm not sure what Alder friend means. Someone might need to translate that for me. But I actually think the snake was the best part. The way the snake just suddenly rises up. Look. He knows how to hold your attention, the snake. Yeah. I've heard it enough now. I'm sick of it. How many times can you watch a video like that? Right? How many times can you watch? Hey, Bill's back. Bill's here. Look, Bill's popped in to say hello.
Bill donated 6 Canadian dollars and 99 cents through a super chat.
Bill, how are you today? Do you want to phone in? Do you want to phone in? We've just had Mike phoning in, telling us how sick he is and bringing the show down. Do you want to call in? Tell everybody how you're doing. Do you want to phone in? Phone line's open. Call in. Phone up. Tell us how you're doing. Anything to get us off this bloody snake. Quite honestly, but Bill, we'd love you to phone in. Honestly, we'd love you to phone in. Where is he? So let's have a look. Bill, yeah, Bill's here. We got Bill. We got Tolga Coben from Turkey. He's saying Bill's here. James 007, Bill's here. Vaz, Bill. MSK, Bill. Tolga Coben, Bill the King. Right? It's good vibes, Mike. It's not. It's rubbish. It's the worst video I've ever seen. Tell the truth. There wasn't much action. I mean, the bloody snake just stayed there. Didn't even move. I mean, even if it had just gone like a little slither, but not even moving, it's lazy. You love it, do you? You think that's great? That's the sort of video you're going to watch, is it? You're going to make it viral. I know you are. It's on Mike's channel. Just click Mike's channel and go and watch it. Sick of it. Sick of hearing about the bloody thing. Found a friend. James 007. It's a snake run. Bill, unbelievable. Bill's here. Martin is just jealous his shorts are not... Right, okay, sod it. That's it. If that's what it is, where is it? Go to channel. Right, sick of this. Right, here it is. Here is Mike's video. Everyone go and like it. Say what you want about it. There you go. I've put it in the chat now 3 times because I'm sick of it. If I hear about the snake again, it's the last show I ever do. Right? Martin is just jealous. His shorts are not that successful. He's right. Found a friend. Mike, loving it. Hey, Bill. There you go. Hi, Bill. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit better. Yeah, how are you now? What's going on? That's what Mike says to the trolls. Whispers, found a friend. The snake looks guilty. Wouldn't trust him. He has that Martyn Lucas look about him. I agree. There was he was a bit shifty. It's the way he just hovers. If we focus in, if we look, it's the way he just, look. It's the way he just sits there and hovers. He probably knows he's on YouTube. That's probably what it is. He knows I'm on YouTube. Look at, here I come. Ready for me? Here I am. What do you think of that? You like that? That's good, isn't it? The way I just... I'm sick of him. I'm sick of the bloody snake. I've watched it 50 times now. I've given Mike so many watch hours. It's ridiculous. Sick of it. Oh, dear, oh, dear. I hate snakes. I used to like them until your bloody video. No, I am a little too busy right now. I just thought I'd pop in to say hello. I've got likes. I said I'm waiting for the ambulance, but my heart lungs to pop it up, popping. Lungs to pop it up, popping. Well, that sounds good, I think. I'm a little bit busy. Oh, here we go. I think, hang on. Doctors are bugging me and I'm trying to get you. I'm going home Thursday. I think that's what they say. I'll let you know and get back to you. You might be comfortable at home. Good. Martin, show the snake. I just did. It would have made that snake. If I would have seen that snake, I would have been bloody. It would have been a bloody snake. Correct. On Thursday, hopefully I'd make it that day. They will make me comfortable and I just wait for whatever. I'll find out. Pray for me here. They come again and what you should see. I just commented on Mike's video. Don't comment on it. Don't comment on it. It's rubbish. I'm a professional person. I'm a professional on YouTube here. Professional broadcaster. I develop my craft. Mike strolls along with his flipping old phone and films a flipping old snake, and then we all watch it. Sick of it. If I hear about this bloody snake again, I'm sick of it. They're giving me 10 pills this time, and I don't know what what it is anyway. I'm a loppy. I'm a loppy. Not really little, but I can't remember anything. But thanks anyway. That sounds like me, Bill. I'm always forgetting things. I might as well be on drugs, mate. I don't know what's going on from one day to the next. Greetings from Turkey to all Martyn family right here. There you go. Greetings from Turkey. How about that? Hit the button on Mike's video. Do not hit the like button. Martyn, ya ding dong, hit 1,000 views on the music channel. Is that you, Vaz? 1,000 views, ya ding dong. Is that you? I bet that's you. Watched it 50 million times, isn't it? It's you, isn't it? Shall I have a look? Switch account. Oh my God, ya ding dong, 1,000 views. I bet it's Vaz. I bet he's played it 5,000 times. Well, not literally. I mean, that wouldn't make sense, would it? Ya ding dong. Ha ha ha. He's right. He's right. Bugger me. 3,800 views we got now. Here we go. Ya ding dong. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest song on the internet. Martyn Lucas. I have now made 1,000 views. Ya ding dong. Do you want to know how much money I've earned? You want to see? How much money do you think I've earned on 1,000 views? You ready? Dun. $2.77. Let's have a look. Hang on.
Craig has become a member. Play the Jar Jar Ding Dong Marty. Musical notes. Musical note.
I can't do it now. If I play it now, this whole video will lose copyright and I would have worked for free. So that's why we have a music channel. All right, Craig? That's why we have a music channel. Right? I've earned $2.77. How did I earn that money? How did I earn the money? Estimated ad revenue. Yeah, I think that's... Oh, see more. There we go. Estimated revenue. How did I earn it? Hang on a minute. If I play Ya Ding Dong, I will lose my ad revenue for this video. Now you're making me feel bad now because you've given me $10. 10 pounds. Oh, look. Did I show you? Did I get off the thousands? Hang on. Bloody hell. Look, you're messing me around now. Yeah, look. 1,000 views. We're now famous. 911 more than usual. That doesn't sound good. Look, 911 more than usual. That's making... See, that's why you're not supposed to show your metrics. Right there is why you're not supposed to play the metrics. Show anybody. Because you make yourself look bad. 1,000 views, 911 more than usual. 911 more than usual. That makes me look bad. I'm not being funny. That makes me look bad.
Vaz donated £9.99 through a super chat. Play
Okay.
Ya Ding Dong.
Okay.
Live.
Okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. If I get one more super chat, I'll do it. Because if I sing Ya Ya Ding Dong now, this whole video, this last hour, I get no ad revenue. But on ad revenue on this video, I'm probably going to earn about 50 cents, if I'm honest. If I get one more super chat, I will play Ya Ya Ding Dong live right now on the show. I promise. I will play it. Sod it. I will do it. I will do it. I will throw caution to the wind. I will get a copyright flag on my show, but it won't matter because I'll make more in super chats. Right? One more super chat from everybody. One more super chat from everybody. And I will play Ya Ya Ding Dong right here, right now, live on the show. Live right now. But I need a 99-cent super chat from everybody. Right, hang on, what is it? When somebody loves you, it's for sure they're gonna love you all the way. All the way. Mike, good night, God bless. We're all thinking of you. I'll be texting you in a couple of hours. Good night.